Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to generate random text in MS Word. So let's start it. Random text means if we need a bulk of text, we able to generate using some easy command. At first you need to type equal then type LOREM first bracket close and press enter. Now we see that we get some automated text here. We have another option to generate random text, that is equal RAND first bracket close and press enter. Now we see that we also get some more automated text in MS Word which we use for various types of practice. Now if you don't find this automated text in Microsoft Word by type lorem or rand, just go to file options, then grouping, autocorrect option, and you just need to tick here. If your computer have unmarked option here, then you don't find automated text. So before using random text, you need to check that either replace text as you types option marked or unmarked. That's it. Thank you.